Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we're talking about major food distribution company here. A little bit of manufacturing, but primarily distribution. Well known, they're just coming off of the heels of a big, massive deal. Appointment of a new director here. That's Derrimon Trading Company Limited. Mr. Stephen Philibert has been appointed to Detail's Board of Directors effective December 15th. 2021. Now, you'd most likely know this gentleman from Pan fame, but he's over there at Burrito Investments overall. So this looks like, it doesn't say it specifically in the advisory notice to the stock exchange, but this looks like potentially a Burrito Investments appointment. You know, they took up that massive stake in Derrimon Trading Limited. They don't say that specifically, but that's the way we're going to analyze this or read into it on Business Live. So congrats here to Mr. Stephen Philibert joining the board of DTL. Now, Seprod Limited, on the other hand here, a management change. Seprod advises that Mrs. Allery Hull-Duhaney has resigned as Group FC, that's Financial Controller, effective December 15th, 2021. It goes on to say that actually Mrs. Hull-Duhaney joined the Seprod group of companies in 2015, so a nice run there. Now, big-time company, TransJamaican Highway Limited, been going through a little bit of an emotion, some changes to their audit committee. We spoke about that regarding well-known John Mitchie Bell, but now an appointment of directors right after that notice had come out. So TJH here is pleased to advise of the appointment of two new directors. That's Mr. Stephen Edwards and Dr. Bentley Brown, appointed as directors of the company with effect from December 16th, 2021. Now, a company that's been on fire. Talk about earnings per share growing, profits and revenues on fire just consistently, quarter over quarter, year over year. It seems like nothing can stop this company. That's Limners and Bards, better known in the marketplace as The Lab, a cool name, a well-known name out there. Advises for a dividend consideration here that the board is scheduled to get together just before the end of 2021, Wednesday, December 29th, to consider the declaration of a dividend. Last up tonight, some big-time business news here. Kingston Properties Limited, that's KP RIT. They've really been out there drumming up their public relations, their deal flow, doing some deals on social media a lot. Another property acquisition here. December 17th, 2021, KP RIT completes the acquisition of approximately a 2.7-acre property on Spanish Town Road. It's their second deal on Spanish Town Road. Talk about a company gearing up for, let's say, a potential industrial boom down there, commercial, warehousing, getting into that play versus just residential. Now, the land space here, the land area or the deal, mostly on the warehouse and office space side here, not just the land, 23,000 square foot of warehouse office space. It's going to be leased. That's a plan. Now, the property was acquired for consideration, 215 million Jamaican dollars. Seems like a good deal on the face of it without all the details, but they come out here with a consideration. We like that transparency. Not all the releases to the JSE give you all the numbers. And as we mentioned, it represents the second deal on Spanish Town Road. Clearly some focus here by KP RIT and going after their strategy. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.